It's Patrick at Pals. Well, it's that time of year. We're going to have a car show benefiting the Boys and Girls Club of Marion County. The car show is going to be April 30th. It's going to be from 9 to 1, and it's going to be hosted by Warhorse Harley Davidson of Ocala. And last year we had the same event at the same location. We had over 200 cars available. We had food. We had fun. We're going to do the same thing this year, only we're going to make it bigger. Any car, truck, Jeep, or bike that's unique is invited to come. We're going to have old cars. We're going to have new cars. We're going to have muscle cars. We're going to have hot rods. We're going to have choppers. We're going to have motorcycles dressed out. It's going to be a great event to get our youth involved with the car hobby. The event is at Warhorse Harley on April 30th from 9 to 1. Gates will open at 7:30 to bring your ride in. If you want to be a sponsor, we've got sponsorships available from $500 to $5,000. All the money collected at this event will benefit the Boys and Girls Club of Marion County. I can't wait for it, and I hope to see you there.